Right, so hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to access your SendTutor portal. So the first thing we have to do is that we come up here and we put in this URL in your browser. And when you do that, it brings you to this page. So on this page, you get to see the College Explorer. So you select the faculty you belong to, and for this we're going to use BCI Birmingham. So when you select it, you select on your student portal as well, which is this one. All right, so you're going to have to put your student ID and your password, which is going to be shared with everyone. So you click on sign in, and you're brought to this landing page. On this page, you get to see all the information about the college, yourself, university events, and your e-learning platform. So for now, we're going to click on Student Portal. On this page, it brings you to the dashboard. On your dashboard, on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see your dashboard, my courses, my profile, class schedule, attendance, grades, assignment, outcomes, settings, and your logout button. On the dashboard, you get to see the classes that you've had for today, which are all those classes for this particular student. So this is a test account, so you might see less information when you open yours. In my courses, you get to see all your courses by clicking on this drop down. You get to see all your courses here, and you can also filter by the week. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see, based on your search results, you're going to see this. For this particular module, we get to see this, advanced game development. So moving on, we're going to my profile. On this page, you get to see a little bit more information about yourself. You get to see your academic info, some information as well. So your class schedule, on here, you get to see all the classes you've had for the week. Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, depending on your timetable. The next one you get to see is your attendance and how you're doing based on your attendance. The next one we move to is grades. So on your grades page, you get to see what grades you have based on your assignments and based on the feedback that your tutor has given you. Then move to assignments. If you have an assignment, you have to come to this assignment module. And on the assignment module, you come to this part of it. So you just scroll down and you get to see all the assignments that you have. The next one is your outcomes. So outcome basically means what you're to achieve at the end of your course at the college for the year. So you get to see them here if you have any outcomes attached to you. So under settings, you get to play with your profile a little bit, get to see your academic details, contact information, and some background information. And when you're done, you click on log out.